Today we want to look at some critical formatting in Excel. Most of the times we use replace function to replace text. Maybe we want to change comma to full stop or want to change some words. But nevertheless, many only know that we can do that. They've not explored other areas of that function. So today we want to look at other use of this function specifically to find and replace color. In this data, we have highlighted some columns and rows in pink color. What we want to do is to change this into green. So that's what we want to do today. I'll just select a cell, press my shortcut Ctrl+A to select all the data, then press Ctrl+H. That brings the pop-up of Find and Replace. Most are only familiar to only this look. What we're going to do is activate other options. I'll click Options. So you can see that we have other formatting here. What I'm finding, I'll click the format, I'll go to Fill. Find pink color. I'll click that and I'll click OK, and I want to replace it with a green color. So I'll take this green color and press OK. So once I've done that, I'll press Replace All. So we can see that Microsoft Excel saw 135 replacements. I'll press OK, and I'll close that. So we can see that we successfully changed this formatting across all our rows and columns. That's it.